These little fender stays are going to mount to the fork. They've got a little rubber plug right there. You'll screw all day long and you won't get a screw to go in it with that plug in there. So remove that plug. These are the bolts that were supplied with the fenders. Isn't that pretty? Good job. Okay, it's rear fender time. The rear fender is not going to be an easy task. I'm going to show you some things that I think will make it a bit easier task for you. Because of the location of these screws right here to the proximity of the tire, I highly encourage you to deflate the tire completely. I have the bike up on my helping hand rack here, but if you don't, I mean, that's okay. You can do this on the ground. But deflate the tire completely. And if you've got someone who can help you to compress this tire like this, that's what you need. But if you're working right by yourself, I would encourage you to, I'm going to take a piece of packing foam and put back here between the tire and the fender. I haven't attached the screw down at the bottom yet. The fender attaches in two places. It attaches right here behind the seat post and right here down at the bottom behind the GPS module. That's the screws that they send to do this with, okay, to attach the fender. I'm going to highly encourage you to change them out to good socket head cap screws. These are 4mm socket head cap screws, and the reason I'm going to tell you to do that is because it's going to allow you to accomplish what I'm fixing to do. And what I have here, a 1/4 inch socket with a 4mm hex insert attached to my 1/4 inch drive ratchet. So I've already got this started up in here. For these fenders, I'm also using some rubber coated washers. They're rubber on one side and metal on the other side. So I'm going to stick my socket in here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and run this one in as much as I can. Okay, the next one, hopefully y'all can see it. I'm shooting y'all right between the chain and that part of the frame right there. I'm able to get this one a little bit better. It's just tight hands, you know what I'm saying? Every one of us have to deal with things that are in bad locations, tight locations. And that is done. That's how you do it, y'all.